So once we enter into the long trade, our first target, that is 0.5, and second target is 0.618. Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good, and some of you will be watching my video first time. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I have shared how can we trade in Camarla pivot points. Okay, that too for the intraday traders. So those who haven't watched my video, I will put the link in the description box below. You can go and check that video. And also I have shared how can we trade using the Fibonacci and what are called Fibonacci retracement level. So today in this video, we are going to explain, or I will be showing how can we trade using both, that is the pivot points and with the Fibonacci. Okay, so I am showing here how can we enter into the long trade. So the time frame I am going to use is 5 minutes. So you can use even the 5 minutes and the 3 minutes. So in 5 minutes, we can understand the direction of the market. In 3 minutes and in 1 minute, we'll not be able to know the direction of the market. So we have to understand the trend in the 5 minutes, and after that we can enter trade in the 3 minutes also. Okay. So here I am going to use the Camarla pivot points, that is the R3 resistance and S3 is the support. So we can draw the Fibonacci from S3 to R3. Okay, so we are going to enter into the long trade. So from the support, we are going to enter long trade for the R3, that is a resistance. If the price is above 0.236, we can enter long trade. What will be the target then? The target is 0.5 and 0.618. These are all the Fibonacci levels. And what will be the SL? SL is the 0 is the stop loss, that I will show you in the chart. So here this is the R3 and S3. What is R3? R3 is the resistance level. S3 is the support level. Okay, so R and S is the resistance and the support level. So those who are not sure how to enter into the trade using the pivot points, that is a Camarla pivot point, they can go and check my video. I have uploaded a video how to trade using the Camarla pivot points. I'll put the link also in the description box below. Okay, so if the price is above S3, we can go for long trade. Okay, that is I have mentioned here, enter into the long trade. So this is how we have to enter into the long trade. So we have to draw the Fibonacci from S3 to R3. Okay, so S3 is the support and R3 is the resistance. And if the price is above 0.236, this level, we can enter for long trade. Okay, and we can keep the target as 0.5, that is the first target, and second will be the 0.618. So if the price is moving from support to the resistance, that is R3, so obviously price from S3 to R3, that is the ultimate target, but we are not going to capture all those points. We are entering at S3, and if the price is above 0.236, we are going for long trade. Okay, and stop loss will be the 0. This is the 0 level will be the stop loss, that is the S3 will be the stop loss. Okay, so we have to wait for green candle that is closing above 0.236. The time frame we are going to use is 5 minutes time frame. Now how to enter into the short trade, that is PE trade. Okay, so the time frame is say 5 minutes and we are drawing the Camarla pivot, and the Camarla pivot levels is from R3 to S3. R3 is the resistance level and S3 is the support level, and we have to draw the Fibo from R3 to S3. Okay, and if the price is below 0.236, then we can enter into the short trade, that is PE. Okay, and the first target will be the 0.5 and second target will be the 0.618, and if the price is going above 0.618, you can keep trailing your profits, and SL is the 0 is the stop loss. We can see how to enter into the short trade now. So this is the R3 and S3 resistance and the support level. So if the price is below R3, we are going to enter into the PE trade. So here the price is at R3 and I have drawn the Fibonacci from R3 to S3. Okay, so if you are getting any red candle below R3, that is red candle closing below R3, that is 0.236 level, we can enter into the short trade for the target of 0.5 first target, 0.618 second target, and you can keep trailing your profits till 0.786. Okay, so this is how you have to enter into the short trade. This strategy we are going to use for Nifty and in Bank Nifty, and this is only for intraday. Okay, so the time frame we are going to use is the 5 minutes. Go to indicators and select pivot point standard. Okay, and go to the settings. In that, inputs the type, that is Camarilla. Okay, and here we are having the support and the resistance level, that is S3, R3, S4 and the R4. So today I am going to show you how to enter into the long and short trade if the price is in between S3 and in between the R3, S3 and R3. Okay, click on OK. Alright, so here we can see that the price is in between S3 and in R3. So we are drawing the Fibonacci from S3 to R3. Okay. So we will enter into the long trade if the price is above 0.236. Okay. In this green candle, we got the confirmation for entry into the long trade. Stop loss will be the 0 point. This is the stop loss. This is 17,744 is the stop loss. Okay. So once we enter into the long trade, our first target, that is 0.5 and second target is 0.618. So if the second target also achieved, we can trail our profits for 0.786 and for the R3 level. But it's always safe to book our profits at 0.5, half the profits at 0.5 and second profits at 0.618. Okay, and you can keep your stop loss at 0.618, so you will not be in a loss. So here the price is at R3, so we can see whether the price, that is if the price is at R3, if the price is breaking the R3 level, and we can draw the Fibonacci from R3 to S3. So whether we are getting any opportunity to enter into the PE trade. Okay, so we have drawn from R3 to S3 now. So we will see how the trade is going on. So we will enter into the short trade. We will enter into the short trade if the price is breaking the 0.236 level. Okay. So now we got our entry for entry into the PE trade for the target of 0.5 first target and 0.618. We will see whether that is getting achieved or not. So we are waiting for the short trade now. So 0.382 level got achieved. So again, we will be waiting for the first target, that is 0.5 here. So in one red candle, all the targets got achieved, that is 0.5, 0.618. Both the targets got achieved. Okay. We can see how to enter into the long trade. So on the same day, that is 20th April, the price came from R3 to S3, and after the price touches the S3, how can we enter into the long trade? So we will see that. Okay, so we'll be entering into the long trade if the price is above 0.236 and if the price is going from S3. Okay, so we have drawn from S3 to R3. So this green candle is giving close above the 0.236. So here we will be looking for entering into the long trade, and stop loss will be the 0 level. This is the stop loss, that is the S3 will be the stop loss. Okay, so we got the confirmation to enter into the long trade. So we are in the trade now. First target is 0.5 and second target is 0.618. This is the second target. Okay. So we are in the trade now. So our second target also got achieved. So this is the second target. So once we enter into the trade, our both the targets got achieved in this particular trade. So safe traders can book here. Okay. Those who want to keep trailing your profits, they can trail the profits till 0.786. But you can book your half the profits here. Okay. So we can see how this trade is going on, whether our 0.786, that is a third target, is getting achieved or not in this particular trade. Yeah. So we can see that this third target also got achieved in this particular candle. We can see one example from the Bank Nifty, that is 12th May. Here the price is at support. So we can draw the Fibonacci from R3 to S3. Okay, so in order to enter into the long and short trade, we should know the candlestick patterns also. Here we can see at the support level, price is not able to break this support. Okay, we are getting rejections. That is, we can see that there are many wicks at the bottom. Okay, and this is a candle that is like a pin bar candle, and also we can see this 9:30 candle gave a close, but we can see that this is a long candle, and also we can see wick below this. Okay, so don't consider this candle as a long trade and close above 0.236. We can take this 950 candle gave the confirmation for enter into the long trade. So if we enter into the long trade, our target will be 0.5 and second target is 0.618. Both the target got achieved. So after the two target got achieved, we can keep trailing our profits till 0.786. Okay, and R3 also got achieved in this particular trade. So if we enter into the long trade here, our stop loss will be the S3, that is a 0 level in Fibonacci. Okay, so this is the candle that we have to look into the long trade. Okay, not this candle, because this candle touched the 0.382. So our candle should be like this. In this example, I will show you where not to enter into the trade. So here from R3 to S3, we got the target got achieved. So if we draw the Fibo, go to the settings, and if you put this as reverse, okay. So here the 0.236 level got broken, and if we enter into the short trade, first target 0.5 and second target got achieved. Okay, so I'm going to show you where not to enter into the trade. Okay, so here from S3 to R3, and here we can see the price touched R3 at 215. Okay, by the time we got a reversal till S3 also. Okay, so here this green candle gave close above S3, but when you notice here, the price didn't give close above 0.236, this level, Fibonacci level. Okay, here this 0.236, this green candle didn't give close. Okay, okay, so when you see this 11:30 candle, that gave close above 0.236, so one can enter into the long trade. So this is where we will be entering into the long trade. Okay, so here this green candle didn't give close, so we are not going to enter long trade here. Okay, so if we enter in this candle, our stop loss will get hit. So here we are going to enter into the long trade, keeping the stop loss as 0 level. First target 0.5, that is here, and second this candle got achieved, and second target is 0.618 here, and our third target also, that is 0.786, also got achieved. And after that we can see that there is a reversal happened in the same day. Okay, so we got one more opportunity for entry into the long trade in this 140 candle for the targets. Okay, so all the targets got achieved. So we should understand where to enter and where not to enter into the long and short trade. This is my free Telegram channel, and I have shared the link in the description below. Here I will be sharing the views on index, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, along with the levels daily. And also there are multiple fake channels created using my name and the image and asking individuals to pay the money. So please don't get trapped into that. So here I will be sharing the key levels also, means the Nifty is weak below this particular level and you can go long above the particular levels. So here I will be sharing my live analysis also. So those who are trading the Nifty and Bank Nifty and wants to track the market can join my Telegram channel. Those who trade on index can make use of these levels and also my live analysis. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.